ZebraX Analytics is an end-to-end data science platform that enables you to integrate data from multiple sources using built-in connectors, explore data with our automated data profiling tool, create data pipeline with drag-and-drop functionalities, experiment with multiple machine learning models, and deploy into production with minimal effort. In every production facility, unexpected failure and downtime of equipment can bring the whole operation to a halt and cause major business problems. Predictive maintenance allows you to predict equipment failure before it happens, minimize unplanned downtime, and help you plan your maintenance better. The most common PDM solutions are time to failure estimations, failure probability estimation, and failure type classifications. This demo will provide you the detailed process of creating a failure probability model from data preparations, ML model training, and insight visualizations. The objective of the model is to predict future machine failure events based on current and historical signals from sensor measurements and other machine informations. In data preparation step, we combine multiple asset information from telemetry, maintenance, failure, and error data. Perform feature engineering and failure labeling based on historical data combined earlier. Next step is to train a binary classification model that will be used to estimate the probability of failure based on historical data. Now, to automate the end-to-end process, both for the data pipelines and model scoring, we will create a scheduler based on the preferred update frequency. And finally, visualize the monitoring data, metrics, and model predictions according to your requirements. In this demo, we've covered some of the key aspects of the predictive maintenance solutions, from modeling approach, data processing, machine learning experiment, and pipeline deployment using ZebraX Analytics.